welcome to Havila Salcha Kitchen. Today's our recipe is one of the top street foods in India and which is liked by all generations and by all age groups. So the recipe is pav bhaji. Okay, let's get started. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Small cup of finely chopped onions, one green chili, and cook this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry till the raw smell goes off from the ginger and garlic paste. Now add half cup of chopped capsicum, mix well and then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as required. Now add the most important ingredient of this recipe, the pav bhaji masala. Add 1.5 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. If you don't have pav bhaji masala, then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix well and then add 1 medium sized tomato which is finely chopped. Mix well. Now add 1 glass of water and cook for 5 minutes. Here you can see I have already boiled 1 carrot, 1 potato and 2 brinjals. You can add any other vegetables of your choice if you need. Now add all these boiled vegetables to the gravy and take a smasher and smash until they become creamy in nature. After that, now add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix well. Now add few coriander leaves. Mix well and transfer this to a serving bowl and add some butter cube on top and sprinkle some coriander leaves. Now serve this with pav which is roasted in both sides and some onions, lemon. The super delicious pav bhaji is ready. For the homemade pav, you can check the link in my description box. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havila Salcha Kitchen.